Hello and welcome back. So, as previously, we have prepared many things. We have seen how we can import our data. We have seen how to make some small visuals. As I go to the page, it says the total sales cost, the KPIs, the bar charts that we have added, the slices, the filters to filter it. So, certainly, if I select any customer name, it will be sliced and filter its data to show us. So now you can see what is the customer total sales and what our cost to that customer. So from this we can analyze a lot of our data. As we move forward, so here we have a table view or the data view. You can see by default it selected the region table, and we can see a lot of tables on the right hand side of our data pane. We can see the first the key images. The key images are not shown here because those are the calculation, those are the DAX calculation. That's are not shown in the table or the data view. Next we have the region view, the customer view, the dates. The dates are the custom dates as we prepare the dates using the add column, calendar auto, and the many functions of the DAX. Next, we have seen the product data, the column on the rows of the product collections, that is similarly the sales collection and some time intelligence collection. So let us see further. So this is an advanced DAX measure of the last year sales calculation. And we move forward, we remember that we have prepared the model. It is called the relationship view, the modeling view, the data modeling. If I collapse my mm, tabs, you can see I can zoom out. Now you can see the relationships we have defined earlier. The tables are in an order. You can see the fact table and the lookup table. The lookup tables are shown at the above and the fact table is shown at the below. Now you can see we have the key images and the time intelligence measure table as well. If I expand my key images, you can see the total profit, cost, and the sales are shown here as well, and my time intelligence measures as well. So certainly I have only calculated the last year's sales. So see, this is the thing we have seen before, we have prepared before. Now moving forward, we can see further. So now let us move forward to the page 2 and we can start preparing our matrix table. So on the home tab, we have the insert group. You can see previously the insert has a separate tab called visual tab available here. Now as a Power BI updates, it has shown it as a group format and under the heading the home tab. Here we have the insert group. If I expand it, you can see it has been categorized starting from the bar and the columns and ending at, you can see if I scroll down, see here it has ended to the R language, the Python language, some other reports, Microsoft Dynamic, Power Automates, and many things. We can import the visuals from the file as well. So see, as I clicked on a matrix, it has prepared the matrix and shown in the front of you. It says build a visual. Yes, we can add the rows, columns, and the values, and we get our result. So I'll be crossing the second one and I'll be removing it. And here I have the first one visual. Let me expand it. Yes, it says select or drag data to populate this visual. This means that it is asking us to enter the data in this visual to add and to format our matrix table. So for this, I have to go to the building my visual, and for the rows, I'm gonna add my different thing. So from the dates, if I click here to the date format, see, it has added the years and some small the plus sign. This means it is showing anything. If I click here, it says quarters 1, 2, 3. If I click here again, and it has shown the quarterly results of our dates and the months and the, you can say, the years. Similar for the quarter 3, quarter 2, and the quarter 4. Let me expand it and I'll be showing you furtherly. Here is the October. If I click here, it has shown the dates. I don't want to show the dates. 2019 result, quarter 1, 2, 3, 4, and moving towards the 2021, we have the 4-year results as well. So now you see I'm building my visual and it's shown as a year, quarter, and the months as well. So I don't want the days, I'm removing it. If I don't want the month, I'll be removing it certainly, but still I'm looking towards it. For the columns and the values, we have to see further how we can build our matrix table and format it to show a wonderful information in. So let me remove my month's name as well because we have seen the monthly trend before preparing the matrix table. So now we have the years and the quarters available. In the columns, I'm gonna add some further data. Let me open my sales, the fact table. Here I have the channel, how we can sold our things. So for this, as I click here, so see it has shown the distributor, the export and the wholesale, the three channel ways of selling our sales. So let us see further. This is not looking an accurate. If I click here, yes, it is not looking an accurate way. Let me add my channel names in the rows as well. If I click here again, add my channel name in the rows as well. You can see the further details. And for the values, I am adding my total sales first, next my key years, and my adding the total cost, and similarly the total profits. So now you can see, I have seen that I have created my table matrix, the year, the quarterly results, and the further quarterly results available. Let me expand it. It is not looking good. It is an untidy thing available here. So I need to format it further. As you can see, the quarters, the channel names, and the year is a jumbled up. We cannot see the further. There are a lot of subtotals, the totals. If I expand my table, you can see the focus mode. We have got a lot of jumbled data available. So what are these things and how we can format it? We can see furtherly, and we can see furtherly in the recording in the formatting pane of our visual, which is the matrix visual. So we can see further. Now we want to edit or to format our matrix visual. So here I have a format option. It says add or remove visual elements. Yes, column subtotals, the row subtotals. Let us see further. If I click the column subtotals, it removes the column subtotals. And if I click the row subtotals, it removes the row subtotals. But we want to see the further options. I'll be clicking on more options button, and on the right hand side you can see the format pane appear in the front of us. First heading is called the visual pane, the next is the properties pane. So yes, as now we can see further, the column subtotals have been on. Let me turn off. Yes, and the row subtotals. You can see that the row subtotals are on, and the total for you can see the channel names have been shown at a below. If I click here, it has the multiple options. As remember, if I go here to the building matrix option, see here, I have added the dates, the year, the quarters, and the channel. And here at the row level, we got the same options available. That's the benefit of the matrix visual to format all of things at the same place. If I click all, and here another row, I'm gonna see. So see, it asks us to name that the total. I can add any name of the subtotal label. I can add subtotal. So see, as I am typing, it is showing the further options. I can add any name of the subtotal label. I can add subtotal. So see, as I am typing, My all of the focus is on the right hand side of the rows, and it is simultaneously formatting my matrix visual subtotal, as you can see on the left hand side under the channel name, the subtotal. I can add a lot names, or I can see the further things. It says the position. Yes, I want a bottom position. Let us see further the top position. Now see the result. The top position results, 2018 result, the quarterly result, and channel result. That is not looking great. It is a tidy visual. So from this, I'm going to change the option from top to the bottom. Now you can see my subtotal result. If I click here, I don't want subtotal to be shown. I want to be shown as a total amount already. Yes, and now it is looking great. Per row level, if I click turn off, it shows the turn off options available. The row subtotals, if I click here, it has shown the row subtotals have been turned off. Yes, the turn on. Now let us see further. Here I have a style preset options. By default, it has chosen the default size. If I click on the none, you can see a none style have been appeared. That is looking great but not an effective. I have to see the minimal as well. Yes, now you can see the year, the quarter result, and the distributor and the blue lines for the formatting. That is looking great. If I see further, you have a lot of options available. If I click on the bold headers, you got bold headers and the black, and that is not looking great. There are some fundamental principles of the data visualization, how we can tell the stories. So this is not looking great. In a certain cases, the black headers and the white type data is looking great, is preferable in certain cases but not now. I'm gonna change my style. You can see a lot of styles available. This is not again a good thing because contrast in the words, the channel names, the white and the black typing. For this, according to me, the minimal is the best sign. Now let us see further the column grand total. It shows that the values are the below. We have the column grand total. I can change it to non-bold option, and I can make it to italic, the text color, etc. Yes, another thing, the cell elements. As you remember, there is a conditional formatting option available in Microsoft Excel under the Home tab. But now, as we are working in a Power BI dashboard, there is no conditional formatting option available separately under the Home tab. It has been formatted, it has been shifted from the Home tab to, you can say, the Format pane. Under the format pane, we have an option of cell element. So see, by default, it has shown the total sales as our first column is the total sales column. So now I'm gonna click on the data bar option. You can see the multiple options have been available, and now you can see the result furtherly that the blue bars have been shown along with the data. If I click here on the icons have been showing, the greater bar have been shown with the green icon, and similar moving towards the red, which shows the lowest icon result. For turn off, it shows the font color result as well, lightest to the darkest background color of the cells. This is not looking great, so we need the further formatting of the data bars as well. Let us see further that how we can look uh, our matrix visual to the greater matrix visual to tell a story, and let us see further the formatting available in our filter pane in our format. Now we're gonna format our rows header. So let us format the rows header. We have a search bar to type the row headers option. So yes, I got my row header option available. It says text. Yes, I want to show my text. Background color, the banded row color. So see, there is no banded row color available. If I click, my background color is purple, and now I'm gonna turn off. There's nothing happening. So let me remove it. The white to the default option. Yes, add a below. I'm moving towards the down. There's an option available, step layout. So it is shown to the number 10. If I improve it to the number 42, see an option available. You can see the spaces of the data available. If I again move toward the 66, now you can see the further spaces, and it has been shown as a column, subcolumn, and a subcolumn option available. I have an option to the turn off it as well. Now you can see that this option have been turned off and nothing is happening. Yes, that's a great thing. That my years column, my quarterly column, my channel column available, and in the further values. The row subtotals, the turn off, the turn on, I can see the result. We have discussed it previously. Let me see it further. The row subtotals, if I got the stepped option available here as well. No, there's no option available. Alright, let us format our row headers, and we were looking here. There are options available. Yes, we turned off the step layout. Now it's time to turn off the icon, the plus and the minus. You can see the plus minus. If I click here, the channel name of the quarter 2 have been hidden. I want to turn off this option. Now you can see a lot of the formatting of a matrix visual have been shown in this tutorial. So now we can move forward in the next session. Thank you till now.